Hi guys, Rick here at Rick's Rebuilds and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I have bought a 3.6 Range Rover, a 2008. We're not going to do a price reveal. It was £1,100. And I'm just going to go straight into that because this is... right, okay, well it's not really. Cosmetically, it needs some improvement. I was assured by the previous owner that the engine and gearbox is good. It's just these little bits that I'm now finding that weren't that weren't mentioned, which obviously, you know, no offense to yourself, you were a nice guy, and I'm sure you didn't know. So let's go on this journey together, and you guys as well who's watching. So here we go. So this car has been in an accident. I'll turn the camera. So this car's been in an accident. So here is the aftermath of the wood screw. There's a wood screw holding that in. Insert clip now. It's still coming out. How long is this thing? Oh, there we go. Right, now I can take my bumper off. So this wing is a slightly different colour. Obviously there's various cracks where I've been taking it off that shouldn't crack. And this wing's also a different colour. Also, I woke up to a flat tyre as well, so that's a lot of fun. But yeah, so come with me on this journey and we're going to fix her up. It doesn't lock either. Didn't know that didn't lock. But I have synced the new key, so that's good. So it now locks. So yeah, let's crack on with the facelift and yeah. Oh, just found a nice little bit of accident damage here. Don't know if you can see it on the camera. That's completely cracked here. So yeah, nice bit of accident damage. Right, so update. When I bought her a few days ago, the washer jacks weren't working, and apparently they're blocked. I think you've been fibbing. There's a nice big hole there, look. You've been fibbing. Yes, so there's a giant hole in the washer. So I don't think it's blocked. It's £1,000. I mean, this car's worth every penny of it, touch wood. But you know, when you're selling a car like this, maybe just tell them, be honest with the faults. Because basically all it's doing is just delaying, you know, getting the windscreen washer fixed now. So I'll have to order the part. If they said to me, oh, it's got a leak on the washer fluid, fair enough, that's fine. But just don't lie. That's the only thing. Anyway, back to the video. Right, okay, here she is. Joke. Right, so that's the facelift off. That's the pre-face off. The only strange thing, apart from the washer that clearly isn't blocked, is this here. This is obviously where an accident has happened. They put a wood screw, but they've welded this to, I'm guessing, to support the bumper, which is a bit odd. So there we go. Right, so I'm going to do the wiring now because this takes a little bit of time. So I'll just put on time lapse again. And yeah, okay, right, let's crack on. Let's do it. Right, okay, the wiring is done. So this is how I've done it. Yeah, I know. But it's not proper or whatever. Look, guys, I don't care. It's stressful enough. Stressful enough. So this will have to do. Honestly, it works. It's fine. Right. So now I need to do the parking sensors, fog lights. I think I can just pop them in. But yeah, parking sensors. We need to do them now. I need to find the loom in the back of the silver one. I don't know what I've done with that, so I really need to find that now. And yeah, then the facelift's done. Then we need to move on to the wheel. I've got a treat to show you with the wheel. Right, then we finish the facelift and we'll get to it. I have had to pause the facelift because time's getting on and I still haven't done the control arm. and before it gets too late on a Saturday, I need to do it. So we're going to walk over to the control arm now, and well, the wheel first off, and well, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, right. So first off, you can see my nuts are swollen. This ain't coming off. This ain't coming off, and this ain't coming off. So all my nuts are swollen. Probably why this side hasn't been done. And just to show you how bad it is, look, I'm not even one finger, literally. That is how bad this is. So we're going to change the lower control arm now and get back onto the facelift. Right, let's do it. Nice and easy, just like that. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, this is completely gone. Put the new one in now. Right, here we go. We'll crack on with the facelift after. So for those of you who don't know, you can't tighten these until the car's actually at normal ride height. So I'm going to do that now. And yeah, get it all sorted. Many hours later, we've done the wiring. So apart from this one here, which is a little bit dodgy, I had to dissect a loom and kind of make one. All the others are done correctly. So let's put the bumper on now and see if it all lines up. But first, obviously, the bumper support panel. Of course I do. Right, do that first. Right, okay, so I've provisionally fitted the lights. They all work. Still having issues with these parking sensors. But first I need to get this thing out. This is basically to make the loom for that one. So, do that. Oh, ow, pain. The next day. Okay, this is now a new day. Yes, my eye is very sore. Slight exaggeration. So that bit of plastic yesterday, or a few moments ago for you guys, flung up and hit me in the eyeball. So I've got quite a puffy eye today, so that's fine. That's fine. We'll crack on. This car's going to kill me. Right. So the main issue that we need to face today is I didn't really want it to run over to 2 days, but it has. So I've got 12 volts coming at this one, 12 volts on this one, 4 volts on that one, and 12 volts on that one. So we really need to finish this car today. I need to do the rear lights, service. So I'm really hung up on these parking sensors at the moment. So I'm thinking maybe I'm going to bridge a wire from here to here to see if that does anything. Hopefully that will engage them. So we can do that, bridge the wire over. Hopefully, this will fix it. Yeah, so that one's good. Let's go test this one. Yeah, I've got and now this one. Yeah, so all of them have that noise apart from obviously that one. Okay guys, right, I think we've cracked it. So there was a little bit of a break in this wire here. So repaired it with the with them things a bit lighter on. You slot the wire in, light it, and then the heat shrink goes. Really good. Let me get them. Hang on. These things, so good, really good. So yeah, we're gonna put it all back together now, or say back together. Fingers crossed it'll work, hopefully. Right, okay, parking sensors work. facelift lights work, fog lights. I haven't tested them, but they're going to work because I haven't changed. I ain't touched them. Right, okay. I need to repair one parking sensor on the rear of the car, fit the facelift rear lights, service, and yeah, I think then she's done. Minus a screen wash. I need to do that. I'll get that part ordered next week. So yes, she is getting there ready for work on Monday, which is tomorrow. So yeah, hooray, 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 hooray. So let's crack on. It turns out that this parking sensor here was an absolute nightmare to do. I had to take this bumper off, and I've also cracked it. As you can see, nice crack there, that's on me. So I'm gonna have to try and fill that and repair that, but all the parking sensors work, thankfully. So I just need to do these rear lights now, put tools over, give her a service, then she's all done. Hooray. So you now join me in the back of the vehicle. The sun's in my eyes, so sorry that I'm squinting. My bad eye. Also, you can see that where the sun's hitting that, how bad that is. Don't really know how to get that out. I'm guessing we can take the trim off and then do it that way. But I think we'll leave that for another day. So let's do these rear lights now and get these changed over. Okay, so I do actually have the fog light fix stuff from Powerful UK. But I'm not going to put it on today because, number one, I can't really be bothered. And number two, it's a Sunday, so let's just put it on, make sure the brake lights work, indicators work, and yeah, we'll worry about that another day. Famous last words. Next up on the Range Rover, place this thing here. It's got a bolt in there by the looks of it. And this one also has a bolt, so that's good. Gonna need one of these on. It's gonna need a bit of extra support, I think. That one's going as well. Right, let's crack on. Right, okay, we'll say that's done. I think it is anyway. Next up, oh no, we'll give it a service. As it's its first service with me, I'm going to go with Shell Extra. She hasn't been serviced for like 9,000 miles, so it's well overdue. So yeah, we're going to do that now. And it's over its service by 9,000 miles, so yeah, really due. So yeah, let's do it. Oh, a bolt extractor in the end. A bolt extractor. That's crazy tight. Keep up your services, guys. Black. Right. I'm gonna have to reuse this because I've only got this one, so let me tidy it up. Black oil. Very dirty. 9 litres this bad boy takes. 9 litres. Yeah, 9 litres. I'll take this off now. Right, okay, I'm going to whack 9 litres of the good stuff in it. And then, I think we're done. Yeah, I think we're done. Okay guys, here she is, the end result. The Range Rover L322 3.6. Yeah, so it's she's done, finally done. I'll just walk around with it. So obviously there's still a few little things I've got to do. But the facelift is on. The number plate's going to change. The side steps, you're going to love the side steps. So open the door. Oh yes. The interior. Autobiography spec, I believe, with piano black and parsnip. whatever it's called, not parsnip, cream. And they go in. Child seat's already in here, obviously. Need to paint this rear sensor because that's going to bug the hell out of me. But yeah, overall, she is all done. So there we go. So join us probably next week because I need to do the screen wash pump. I didn't know about that. And a few other bits. It locks now, thank God. It does lock now. So yeah. Oh, I need to fix the handbrake as well. So probably not next week, the handbrake, but screen wash definitely next week. So we'll sort that. But yeah, she's a good old Jeep. Not a Jeep. So yeah, if ever guys, please like, comment and subscribe. This one's going to go to scrap. Bless it. Done well though. It's been a good workhorse. So yeah, right, catch you next one. See you later guys. Take care. Bye.